Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Valorant 59 error. Chapter 1. How to fix Valorant 59 error restarting Valorant. To start, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Here, select Riot Client. Click on End Task to close the process. Then open Valorant from the search box. Wait for it to start. Chapter 2. How to fix Valorant 59 error from services. To get started, enter Services in the search box. Click on Services. Now select and double-click on the VGC service. Here in the Startup Type field, select Automatic. After that, click Start. Save the changes by clicking Apply and OK. Chapter 3. How to fix Valorant 59 error deleting temporary. To start, in the search box, enter %temp %. Click on File folder. After this, select all the items. Click Delete to delete them. Chapter 4. How to fix Valorant 59 error reinstalling Vanguard. For this method, in the search box, enter Control. Click Uninstall a program. After this, select Riot Vanguard. Click Uninstall. Click Yes to confirm. Here in the pop-up window, click on Yes to confirm the uninstallation of Vanguard. After that, open Valorant. Automatically, the installation of Vanguard will take place. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.